Okay, phase one. I'm gonna try to bring this gun back to life without doing a full refinish. I wished I'd have took the before pictures. This is phase one of and so far all I've done, turn it over here, was go over it with Murphy's wood soap. But you see how it's in there. This is an old 1930s Remington TargetMaster model 41. So I've done some cleaning on it. I'm trying to get the trigger guard off a little bit. I wished I'd have took before I cleaned it with the Murphy's, but the barrel's got a bull barrel, single shot. I'll clean all that up later. And then I already cleaned that up pretty good, stock. So this is video one, and I've got it'll take me a few days. I'm gonna try to bring it back with the original finish without completely redoing it. So we'll see how it goes.